Alright, we made it to the High Roller Lobster Company. We decided on getting the lobster roll and ceviche. We thought about getting the grilled cheese lobster roll, but it seems a little bit too much. This is a competition, so we gotta have some room for more food later. Stay tuned. High roller. That's the mayo. Alright. Let's make it messy.
Good?
No spice. Maybe a little bit more seasoning. A little more flavor. Not super buttery. That's good. Alright, finished up at High Roller Lobster. It was good, it was tasty. Had a little bit of spice. I think it needed a little bit more. A little bit more seasoning as well. I don't know if I'd come back. Would you come back?
I would.
You would? You try something different though.
I mean, I liked it, but I agree that it needed a little bit more spice.
Oh, yeah, I'd like that.
We had the jalapeno mayo, and I didn't taste any jalapeno.
It was like a slight spice, and then like bite number 2 was gone. I would come back. You're coming back. I can't come back to breakfast. Come here alone. But we want to try out Portland Lobster Company next and see how it compares. I will say one positive about this: they have nice big pieces of lobster.
Yeah.
Sometimes lobsters are kind of like the steakhouses; they give you this much, and it's like $40.
Right.
So
if we come back, I try a different sauce because it's your choice of sauce. They had different sauces.
That is another positive. I mean, so it's worth another try. Yeah, I'll come again. Alright, so we're here at Portland Lobster Company. This is spot number 2. We basically got the same thing. Lobster roll, 4-ounce lobster roll and some fries. But the thing about this place is that it comes with fries instead of having to order them separately. So we'll see what it's about, we'll see what it do, and I'll give my little review. About the same. I would say I probably need some butter. And throw some salt. A little salt. Meat's tender. I would actually lean towards the other place a little more. I would lean towards the other place more. This is alright.
High roller. High roller.
High roller. I think high roller wins. Ain't nothing wrong with Luke's Lobster too. I know they're a bit of a chain now, but I guess I got so used to that. They give you more meat than Luke's. Alright, so that wraps up our trip to Portland, Maine. We got to pretty much do everything we wanted, right? We got the lobster rolls, we got the lobster pretty much every day, as I did. One of the tips I'd give is like, get up early. This is not a place for late risers. Brunch ends at like 2 a lot of places. Some places, not open, until 5. So, there's a little gap. It's almost
A lot of places close at 5.
A lot of places close at 5.
Or at 2.
Huh? 2 of them?
Or at 2 p.m.
Or 2 p.m. exactly. But it's a wonderful town. We lucked out with the weather. But yeah, it's worthwhile coming up. And if you live in the East Coast, live in like New York, whatever, it's about your hour flight. Weather's pretty decent. We're in the middle of summer. We're not roasting. As you guys know, there's other videos. I think they're here. Check them out. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks.